The Vivo V50 with stunning design and pro-level portrait photography. Buy now.
இனி வீட்லயே பானிபூரி செய்யலாம் எல்லாரும்.
ஆச்சி பானிபூரி கிட்.
Vaiko, you want to be small. Who are you? I'm Vaiko. I am a product of Anna movement. I am a product of எங்கள் வாழ்வும் எங்கள் வளமும் மங்காத தமிழன்று சங்கே உலகில் எப்பக்கம் வந்து புகுந்து விடும் இந்தி எத்தனை பட்டாளம் கூட்டி வரும் கண்ணை கிளிபட நேரும் கட்டாய இந்தியை வெட்டி புதைப்போம். Why he did not go to Vaipur? He failed in his duty as a prime minister. Nobody will do that. He is going every country after country, but not Manipur. Manipur is not in India. Prime minister means PM. Our prime minister means picnic minister. Appropriation bill, you can speak anything under the sun. Now, in the new education policy, that should be thrown into the dustbin.
Honorable Sri Vaiko, Mr. Vaiko, your name is after Mr. Ghanshyam Tiwari.
He has donated 3 minutes from him.
No, sir, it's not the practice. Please, you speak on the point.
Honorable Mr. Deputy Chairman said, serious discussion is going on about Manipur and what is happening there.
Your concern for him.
Rape, murder, arsoning, everything is going on.
Yes.
Hundreds and hundreds of people have given their lives.
Yes.
One simple question,
Yes.
$1 million question.
Yes.
The Prime Minister of India is the custodian of 140 crore people.
Yes.
What business he has got in other countries?
Yes.
Whenever we ask, he is in this country, that country. He is the Prime Minister for all countries.
It's a constitutional.
Why he did not go to Manipur?
No, please.
Why he did not go to Vaipur? He failed in his duty as a Prime Minister. Nobody will do that. He is going every country after country, but not Manipur.
No
Manipur is not in India.
It will not go on the record, please.
Why, sir? What is unparliamentary? What is unparliamentary? What is unparliamentary? What is unparliamentary? What is unparliamentary?
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री के विदेश यात्रा पर आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. You speak on
the same time. The whole country is agitated on another issue.
You please speak. You are losing your time.
Mr. Prime Minister means PM. Our Prime Minister means picnic minister. Yes, he's touring all the country.
No comments on.
He's touring all the country.
You know he's on the constitutional post. He cannot comment like this. This will not
I
go on the
already
record.
said it. I will repeat it.
Please,
I am not bothered about you.
No, please,
I have seen so many people
please,
like you.
Speak on the subject.
So many.
No,
Hundreds and hundreds.
Please speak on the subject.
I am not bothered. I speak from my heart.
Speak.
You speak. I am Vaiko. You want to be small. Who are you?
Please, you are losing your time.
I am a product of Anna movement. I am a product of
anti-India time. You are losing your time. You are losing your time.
Sir, you should be liberal. You know all.
I have to speak to the time. Please.
Sir, they are stopping him, sir. Order, please.
No. I'm order. You take your seat. You take your seat. आप जानते हैं Mr. John Peters, you know, please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please take. You speak, otherwise I will proceed.
எங்கள் வாழ்வும் எங்கள் வளமும் மங்காத தமிழன்று சங்கே உலகில் எப்பக்கம் வந்து புகுந்து விடும் இந்தி எத்தனை பட்டாளம் கூட்டி வரும் கண்ணை கிளிபட நேரும் கட்டாய இந்தியை வெட்டி புதைப்போம். This was our war song in anti-Hindi agitation. It's going on for 80 years. 80 years.
Time is over.
Sir. Now, in Allahabad, some 3 months back, a conference was done by Hindu Mahasabha and Bajrang Dal and Hindutva forces. A conference.
You speak on the subject, please.
Sir, this is a subject.
Speak on the subject.
Sir,
Please.
Appropriation bill, you can speak anything under the sun. I have got the experience of 24 years in the parliament.
Your time is over. Yes,
I
you
know.
are experienced.
Mr.
I know.
Chairman, you may not know the rules and the convention.
You know the rules per time.
Appropriation
Your
bill,
time is
you can
over.
speak anything under the sun.
Your time
now,
is over.
In the new education policy, that should be thrown into the dustbin.
Your time is over.
No.
I will call the next person. I am requesting
New
you.
education policy, we are opposed. Our Dravidian model government run by Mr. Stalin, our leader, we have organized a
Your time is over. I am calling another person. Please.
They have not agreed.
You conclude, otherwise I am calling another person.
Hindi
Please.
and Sanskrit. I have burned a
Maharaja
copy of the
Sanjay
constitution
Obama
of the public.
Thank you, sir.
Leader of the house wants to speak. Please, माननीय leader. आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही है. You please take your seat. You have already taken more time, sir. You have already taken more time. Please, माननीय leader of the house.
माननीय उपाध्यक्ष महोदय, हम सब लोग यहाँ वाद विवाद विषयों पर चर्चा करने के लिए उपस्थित हुए हैं। वाइको साहब हमारे बहुत विभिन्न जिम्मेवारियों पर और लंबे समय तक संसदीय प्रणाली से अवगत हैं, लेकिन खेद के साथ कहना पड़ता है कि मणिपुर छोड़कर बाकी सब विषयों पर उन्होंने चर्चा की। दूसरी बात
Please.
मैं वही कह
Manager राम जी, please.
दूसरी बात जो उन्होंने माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी पर जिस तरीके से टिप्पणी की है वह असंसदीय भी है और वह डिसेंसी के बाहर है। मुझे लगता है कि आप उसको एग्जामिन कराएं और जो असंसदीय है और डिसेंसी से बाहर है उसे आप एक्सपर्ट।
I have already told about it. जो भी असंसदीय चीजें या माननीय प्रधानमंत्री पर टिप्पणी होगी उन्हें अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल्स विल एग्जामिन। माननीय श्री महाराजा संजय ओबा लेसंबा, प्लीज।
Sir, thank you, sir.
Not going on record.
For giving
Please
me
sit.
this opportunity
Sit.
to participate in the discussion of Manipur budget 2025-26.
The Vivo V50 with stunning design and pro-level portrait photography. Buy now.
இனி வீட்லயே பானிபூரி செய்யலாம் எல்லாரும்.
ஆச்சி பானிபூரி கிட்.